Each pen contains 4 doses. When you're ready to inject the first dose, remove the cover and check the liquid appears clear. If the liquid is cloudy, frosty, or contains any particles, please do not use the pen. Take your needle and remove the paper cap. Push the needle on firmly and screw on until nice and tight. Remove the outer plastic cap and you're now ready to go. Twist the nozzle all the way now to the treatment dose. This will appear in the treatment window as shown. Priming the pen only has to be done before the first dose is administered. No priming is required for subsequent doses from the pen. Twist the nozzle all the way until the treatment dose appears in the window. You are now ready to inject. Choose your injection site. Injections can be administered into the front of the thigh, front of the abdomen, or the upper part of the arm. Care must be taken to ensure that you do not inject into a muscle. Once you have chosen your site, pinch the skin nice and tight and insert the needle at a 90-degree angle. Push the button and hold in place. Keep the needle in place for 6 to 10 seconds to allow the full dose to be administered. You will notice the dose window will return all the way back to 0 as the injection is being administered. Once you have finished injecting, dispose of the needle safely by using the plastic cover from earlier on. Place over the needle, untwist, and dispose off into the sharps bin. Replace the cap onto the pen and store ideally in the fridge until it's needed again in 7 days' time. Good luck on your weight loss journey, and please remember we're here to support you. Thank you for watching.